Goldbell's series of customer care programs provides you with utmost assurance and product reliability and value enhancement. This is Series 1 of our customer care program. Our maintenance contract that has served our customers for over 20 years. Enjoy benefits such as higher vehicle uptime, greater loyalty discounts, and flexible contract packages. Goldbell offers different types of contracts ranging from simple lubricant and filter change to full repair coverage. You can also customize your maintenance package by choosing different combinations to suit your needs. Our contracts are applicable to all your trucks for its entire vehicle life. Talk to our professional service sales executives for advice on how to optimize your vehicle maintenance. Our packages come with free support services such as servicing reminders, LTA inspection arrangements, 24/7 recovery service, towing support, and more for your peace of mind. You are important to us. Share the joy of Goldbell Care by referring a friend to sign up for a maintenance contract and get a free basic servicing. Book an appointment with Goldbell Care now.